there are 3 or 4 things that we can think about to improve patient safety. I guess the first is to make sure that we're genuinely open about what we do well and what we don't do well, and to be critical in the proper sense of that word of our systems and processes, and to think about the bigger picture when things go well and indeed when they don't. It's multifactorial why things go in a certain way, and that the whole range of issues is considered. And it's not about blaming, but it's about working out how people can be supported to do the right thing. So deterioration leading to organ failure and death is a disaster for the patient, and unless it's identified early, there's a pretty good chance that the patient cannot be saved. So prompt identification by careful, reliable, regular vital sign monitoring, looking at the bloods, listening to the patient is critical. When you recognise a patient has deteriorated, there's got to be a rapid response. So unless you have a dedicated team that can come to the patient, and there might be several patients deteriorating in different parts of the hospital, so some triage will be needed, it's unlikely that they'll get a proper coordinated response, and they're likely to do less well. End-of-life care is a priority really across the board for all of us as we have a aging, more frail population. Aggressive treatments for people who are frail and are unlikely to respond, in fact doing the patient harm. So we need to be much more thoughtful about which patients we do treat aggressively, and we need to talk to patients and get their views on what is appropriate and what is not.